Okay, let's look at math for the day.
How can you add a two-digit number to another two-digit number? Find 56 plus 17. You can use pencil and paper and write one number above the other. Show 56, then show 17. You can also use drawings and place value blocks to help you add. Start by adding the ones. Why do you add the ones first when adding in this way?
So why do we add the ones first? We add the ones first. So if it's over 10, we would have to regroup. We would have to take 110 and move it up.
You start with the ones so you know if you have to regroup. 6 ones plus 7 ones equals 13 ones. The sum of the ones is 13. How should you regroup 13?
So
Select your answer.
if we regroup 13, we have to think about that number. How many 10s do we have in 13? We have 1. And how many 1s do we have in the number 13? We have 3. So it's 1 10 and 3 1s.
Regroup 13 ones as 1 10 and 3 ones. Make 1 10 with 10 ones. Write 3 ones. Write 1 to show 1 10. Now add the tens. 5 tens plus 1 10 equals 6 tens. 6 tens plus 1 10.
You cannot forget to add in that
How
carryover.
many tens are there after you regroup?
7 tens. 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 1. You cannot forget about your regroup number, okay?
There are 7 tens after you regroup. Write 7 to show 7 tens.
Okay, I'm going to stop that. That's it, guys. Like, it's what we were doing yesterday, except each day they're taking away a little bit of the bars and lines and package, okay? So, let's look at today. Page 212. 34 plus 17. So they're teaching you to write it down like this. I'm using my little mouse pad, so it's, let me plug. I can't get this mouse to connect Bluetooth, so I'm just gonna plug in the little connector so I can write easier. Here we go. Okay, so 34 plus 17. So it's showing you to add 7 plus 4. So that's one of those facts. This is why your facts are going to come into play. 7 plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we're going to write our 10 and our 1. Okay. Then we have to add all of these. 3 plus 1 is 4. Do not forget your regrouping to make 5. Okay. 52 plus 31. Nothing goes here yet. We write it down here. 52, plus 31. Okay? 2 plus 1. What's 2 plus 1? 3. We don't have to regroup anything here. Great. So we just leave that blank. 5 plus 3, that's a fact. You should know. 8, 83. 35 plus 26. Okay, we're going to add 5 plus 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we're going to write our 110 and our 11. 3 plus 2 5 plus 1, do not forget to add this in, 61. Okay? Next page. Guys, it's so easy once you get the hang of it. Let's use blue. Okay. 15 plus 28. Let's look at this one. 5 plus 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Write our 1, our 10, and then write our 1s. 2 plus 1 is 3. Don't forget to add that in. So that's 4. Okay? I'm going to do the rest. You are going to do the rest. Pause the video, work the rest, come back and see if you got them right. 29 plus 20. 9 plus 0 is 9. 2 plus 2 is 4. 63 plus 29. 9 plus 3 is 12. So I write my 10 and my 1. 6 plus 2 is 8. Plus 1, 9. If you got 82, you didn't add in your regrouping. 37 plus 48. I know my fact. 7 plus 8 is 15. I'm going to write my 10 and my 1. 4 plus 3 is 7. Plus 1 is 8. If you got 75, you didn't add your regrouping. 67 plus 17. That's a double fact. 7 plus 7 is 14. Whoop, I write my 10 and then my 1s. 6 plus 1 is 7. Plus 1 is 8. 84. 15 plus 18. 5 plus 8 is 13. There's my 10. There's my 1. 1, 2, 3, 33. 43 plus 49. 3 plus 9 is 12. There's my 10. There's my 1. That's a double fact. 4 plus 4 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. If you got 82, you didn't add your regrouping. 62 plus 28. 2 plus 8 is 10. There's my 10. If I have 10, I don't have anything in the 1, so that gets a 0. 6 plus 2 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. Easy peasy, guys. Good job. Go to the next page. Amir plants 25 trees. Juan plants 27 trees. How many trees do they plant in all? All is your keyword. You're going to add. So we're going to write 25 plus 27. You do it real fast. Pause and do the problem. 5 plus 7 is 12. There's your 10. There's your 1s. 2 plus 2 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. Don't forget to write over here your answer. 52 trees. Okay? On Monday, Sasha puts 32 pennies in her bank. On Tuesday, she puts 57 more pennies. That means she added 2. How many pennies does she put in her bank on both days? So she put 32. She added 57. How many does she have from both days? 7, 8, 9. We don't have to regroup. 5, 6, 7, 8. 89 pennies. She almost has $1. Okay? Good job. Let's look at your homework. Homework. Here's an extra example if you need it. Oh, look. We're just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bam. Circle those. Well, okay. Here. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do 1 through 5. See if there's anything on the back I want you to do. I was not really a big fan of those. Do number 10, the little assessment check. Okay. So on the front, 1 through 5, and then on the back, number 10, take a picture, put it on your seesaw assignment, and send it to me. Okay. Good job, guys. Oops.